Hi, Ann earns $5.95 per hour working after school. He needs at least $215 for his holiday shopping. How many hours must he work to reach his goal? Okay, so he needs $215. He works for $5.95. So we need to divide 215 by $5.95. This question here, you don't have a calculator, it's an active calculator, and we're testing your ability of dividing an integer by decimal number. So before I do that, there are a couple of ways you can do it, but here in this tutorial, I'm just gonna do like you just do one way. You multiply top and the numerator and denominator by 100 to have 21500 divide by 595, and let's divide that. So 21500 divide by 595. Get the right color. Okay, 215 divided by 595, it does not work. 2150 divided by 500. So this one is the 2500 goes into 2000 4 times, but this is almost 600. All right, so 600 goes to 21 3 times. So the best hit is 3. 3 times 595. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 9 is 27, and 1, that is 28, and you carry the 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. Let's divide that and subtract. 0 minus 5, it doesn't work, so this one is going to become 4 here. So this one is 10, and instead of 0, 10 minus 5 is 5. And 4 minus 8, it does not work, so this one becomes 0, and this one becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6, and 0 divided by minus 7, it does not work, so this one becomes 10 here. 10 minus 7 is 3, and this one is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 365, you put this 0 down here. All right, so 3650 divided by 500. Okay, so 3650, 3600, almost 3600 divided by, this one is very close to 600. 3600 divided by 600 is going to be 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Let's do that. 6 times 5 is 30, and 6 times 9 is 54, plus 3 is 57. You put the 7, you carry the 5. Okay, and 6 times 5 is 30, plus 5 is 35. 5. Subtract. 0 minus 0 is nothing. 5 is 0. 5 minus 7, it does not work, so this one becomes 15. Let me use another color here. 15, and this one is 5. 15 minus 7 is 8. And this one, 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 0 is, so is going to be 80. 80 divided by 595 is not going to work. So you put the decimal number, and then you're going to have something at 0 here. 800 divided by 595 is going to be 1. And I don't care about whatever after this, but all I care about is there are some numbers after the decimal. So we will get here. So this person must work 36 point something, all right, hours. That's the number of hours. All right, let's go back to the question. How many hours must he work to reach his goal? Of course, a lot of the students will round this one to 36 hours, which is incorrect. If he works 36 hours, it's not going to make the $215. It's going to be less than $215. So he must, and of course the number is not, they're not looking for We're not looking for a partial of an hour or something. We're looking for full hour. So either 36 hours or 37 hours. So the minimum number of hours that he must work to make 215 or greater is going to be 37 hours. Work well.